Today we're showing you a 2018 John Deere 4044M tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a John Deere 400E loader. The tractor has just under 100 hours, so very low hour tractor. Very nice shape. The tractor paint is good. Overall, very clean tractor. It does have the ag tires on it, which are a little different than a lot of these tractors. Then also has the gear drive transmission with the powered reverser, which is also kind of hard to find in this size tractor. It does have the John Deere style quick attach for your bucket here. A little bit of paint out of the bucket, out of the bottom of the bucket there. A little bit of a dent on top here. We can show you that. I'm not sure if you can pick that up in the video here, but the top is dented a little bit on the bucket. Overall, the tractor is in really nice shape. Paint again is in very nice shape, as you can see. Tires are good. Again, does have the ag tires. Still see the imprint of the tread size in the tread back here. Joystick there for the loader. Does have foldable rollover bar. Also has a canopy top. Top link and drawbar both on the tractor. We'll go with the tractor. Very nice, very clean tractor. And again, it does have the powered reversal transmission here, which allows direction changes without clutching. And then your standard gear transmission. You have 3 ranges back here, and then 4 gears on this lever. So you have a total of 12 different speeds. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.